everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper commando plank. So have your mats ready on the floor. We're going to start on our hands right here. Have your knees on the floor to begin with. So let's just quickly go over the form right here. Make sure you're not dropping your head like this or lifting your head up like this. Keep your neck neutral. And then from here, you're going to come up on your toes. Again, in this plank movement form, make sure you're not dropping your hips or lifting your hips, hands right below the shoulders. From here, you're gonna go down on your elbows. Same idea, when you're down on your elbows, elbows right below the shoulders. And then come back up on your hands. So down, up, down, up. Modify, you can do this movement on your knees. Right here. So this works your shoulders, core, glutes, pretty much your entire body. I would suggest doing about 10 repetitions if you're a beginner. And so this is a great workout to work the entire body without using any equipment. You just need your mats. If you don't have a mat, no worries. You can use a towel to have your elbows and your hands on. So that's our commando plank. And thank you so much for everyone for joining me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!